Coffee has been used as a natural hair dye for centuries, ever since people have been drinking it. You can either use this easy method to darken your hair or give your already dark hair a nice refreshed look. Let's get into how it works. Make a cup of organic coffee, the strongest you can find. Mix in 2 cups of natural hair conditioner with 2 tablespoons of organic coffee grounds. Then mix in 1 cup of cold brewed coffee. Stir, then let sit till cooled. Apply the mixture to your head and hair and let it sit for around an hour. Once applied, take a look in the mirror and see your new naturally dyed hair. You now have dyed hair without any of the nasty chemicals used in salon hair dyes. Let us know if you have any other tips or tricks in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.